What's up, Shadic Squad? It's me, your boy, Never Uploads to YouTube 225 here, and I'm back at it again with a new YouTube video based on popular demand, right? The popular demand was to create a showering tutorial. So for those of you who are stinky and or never learned how to take a shower, I will show you right now how to take a shower. First thing you have to do when you're about to go take a shower is make sure you don't have to take a shit beforehand. Because shitting in the shower is not good, Shadic Squad. Now, what I'm doing right now is taking a shit myself. As you can tell, I am currently taking a shit. So this can be done beforehand. Make sure you have your apparatuses to bring with you to the restroom, such as body wash and shampoo and anything else you guys need to use. Don't forget to bring clothing and a towel with you into the shower. As you can tell right here, I have a green or bluish towel, my shirt, my pantaloons, and my underpants. Now, if you are done with everything I have asked you to do beforehand in this tutorial, then step into the shower and close either the shower door if you're rich or the shower curtain if you're like me. What you do now is you turn on your shower. Once you have it at a temperature to your liking, you then open the shower head and the shower water will come down from here. As you can tell, the water is now falling from the shower head, and now you can start with your first phase. What you do for the first phase is you get wet. By the way, Shadic Squad, apologies for the quality downgrade. I do not have an expensive waterproof phone. After you get wet, you grab your shampoo and you pour some in your hand. Once you have some in your hand, you throw it on your hair. You can do this for a majority of 1 to 2 times in one shower. Because my shampoo is also conditioner, I am going to lather myself up again, and then I'm going to let it sit there for the next 10 minutes. While this is conditioning, you can go ahead and now start with the beginning process of cleaning your body using your body wash. Just pour some in your hand like this and rub it all over your body. Do that until you are fully lathered, and then rinse it off with the water, just like you did with your shampoo. As you can now tell, I am officially clean. And what you do after getting your official cleaning is you turn off the shower. How you go about that depends. For me, all I have to do is get under the water, turn it off. What you do now in this situation, Shadic Squad, is you grab your very dry towel and dry yourself. What you do after you are finished drying yourself is you start putting on your clothes. As you can tell, I already have 1 piece of my clothes on. Next, you have to put the rest of them on. With the old dirty clothes that you've had originally, you just throw it into a hamper. Kind of like this one. There are several things you can do to enhance the clean experience. Things like putting on deodorant or something that will keep you smelling fresh afterwards, using some coconut oil on your already wet hair to make it slicker and smoother, and finally, putting on some lotion to keep your skin baby soft and moist. Don't forget, at this time, your fingernails are very soft and malleable. So if you want to cut your nails without the risk of stepping onto a really hard pointy nail, you can go ahead and do it right now, which will make the experience easier. Another thing that'll end up easier is cleaning your ears. You can either use Q-tips like these and end up pushing the earwax into your ear and going deaf because of how much built up earwax is inside your ear. Or you can use one of those earwax sucking apparatuses or those earwax things on TikTok that I see that push water into ear and then the wax comes out. And that is all, Shadic Squad. As you can see, I am a fresh, clean individual. I have a lotion, I have coconut oil, I have deodorant. I am smelling fresher than ever. And you could start smelling fresher than ever if you follow this tutorial too and subscribe to JJShadic at youtube.com. Thank you all for joining in on this video. I will let you all shower in your own apparatuses on your own time. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Boom ba skitty ta ta and a boom ba skitty ta ta and a boom ba skitty ta 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 burra skrr skr 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 feed the turtles brum ba boom